it is chaos, really. You hear the emergency sirens going, but I need to show you, it's not just on the border. This is Fort McMurray burning.
Every year, thousands of wildfires across Canada are caused by unattended or improperly extinguished campfires. In 2023 alone, British Columbia experienced record-breaking wildfire damage, forcing widespread park closures and environmental destruction. Despite regulations and signage, fire safety still depends heavily on human behavior, which is often unreliable. Fatigue, distraction, or even simple neglect can turn a controlled campfire into a serious hazard. Our team was tasked with developing a simple, effective solution to reduce this risk. This is our design project.
The problem is straightforward: safely and reliably extinguishing campfires, especially when users are inattentive or in emergency situations. In 2023, 84 forest fires in British Columbia alone were traced back to campfires, a statistic that highlights the need for a better solution. Our solution must meet several key constraints. It must be simple to use, compatible with existing fire pits, durable under high temperatures and weather exposure, and cost-effective for large-scale implementation. Most importantly, it must reduce reliance on human action.
Our team developed many different ideas for a fire pit suppression system. A basic manual lid was considered first, but it relied entirely on user effort and introduced heat safety concerns. Spring-loaded systems were also evaluated, but they added complexity and potential safety risks. After evaluating many alternatives, we focused on a purely mechanical approach, one that minimizes effort while maximizing reliability. Our goal was to design something intuitive, enough that any camper can use it instantly without training or added risk.
That brings us to Capit. There's three main components of our design: the lid, the lever, and the linkage. Each of these components serves a critical function of the design. The lid prevents sparks from getting out, and the lever serves as both a hand and foot pedal so that it can be used either by your hand or your feet, depending on how you feel, and it provides a mechanical advantage needed to make the whole thing work. The linkage connects the two together, ensuring that everything flows smoothly and well. This design is intended to fit on any type of campfire as long as it's round.
For our design, we developed and tested this prototype. It tests three separate criteria: speed, ease of use, and stability. Speed and ease of use are fairly simple and is highly effective with this lever and foot pedal here. And it also sufficiently demonstrates that by closing this lid here, it ends up preventing any sparks from erupting from the fire pits, while also potentially assisting in smothering the flame. This could, however, be improved upon with spring-assisted mechanisms and dampening, though overall it still is a highly effective design that we believe could potentially save many lives and damage to property and the ecosystem from fires. Overall, it's practical, effective, and fulfills all criteria.
Wildfires are not just an environmental issue, they represent a significant economic and safety challenge. In British Columbia, there were over 1,300 wildfires in 2025, 40% of which were human-caused. This ended up costing the government an estimated $580 million in 2023 alone.
Our primary target users include Parks Canada, BC Parks, and the National Park Service. By directly addressing human-caused fires, Capit offers a proactive prevention solution rather than a reactive one like firefighting. From a cost perspective, the system is simple and scalable, uses durable material with low maintenance requirements. We are planning to sell one Capit unit at $130 or at a discounted price of $6,000 per 50 units. Capit delivers value through improved safety, reduced risk, and long-term cost efficiency.
If implemented across even a fraction of Canadian parks, Capit has the potential of significantly reducing human-caused wildfires.
Our design introduces a simple mechanism safeguard that works instantly and effectively. Capit transforms fire safety from a human responsibility to a reliable system.
In conclusion, just Capit. Check that out. Okay.
That's good.